Modeling simulation design is where creativity meets real-world problem-solving. This is not just art. It is interactive design that lets you build experiences people can explore, test, and control. We work together using 3D and 2D software, just like real studios and production pipelines. So you learn how professionals create real-world solutions while working on projects that feel real and purposeful. You will understand the difference between design and coding, and how both combine to create powerful simulations. You train with industry tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Unity, Blender, and Autodesk Maya to build skills companies actually want. Simulations go beyond animation or video. Instead of watching, users interact. They make choices, see results instantly, and experience systems reacting in real time. That is the power of real-time simulation. Reacting, not just observing. There are many certifications like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Autodesk Maya, and Unity. These certifications alongside your portfolio will help to clear a path forward and prepare for industries like games, simulation, film, visualization, and advertising. Most importantly, this is where you can grow, explore, and find your own path into the future as you develop new and exciting interactive projects to share with the world.